This capstone course is CSE 477 with a theme of connected wearable devices.
The purpose of the Digital System Design class is to teach us how to apply our previous knowledge to a real-life work environment to create a product that people will actually use. At the very beginning, it's just your idea, and then you have to take it through the whole process from inception to final product within a short amount of time, which is a very real-world experience.
In this class, we got to make a wearable, which is something which is very up and coming in today's world. Getting to make that using your knowledge, you can actually get it working within the 2.5 3 month period.
So our project is named DREW, which stands for Drastically Reduce Energy Waste. And the basic idea is that we have a wearable device that you wear right on your wrist. The user can configure the system to execute different actions for Bluetooth connected devices within their house or office space. Essentially, the software that we're writing, the user can configure the system to turn on and off electronics. For instance, when they walk into their bedroom, they could have the lights automatically turn on, and when they leave the bedroom, the lights could turn off. Other examples could be your stereo volume adjusts based on your proximity to the speakers.
Even though it's in a group, there's still a lot of work to do. Taking it all the way from the hardware through the software has definitely been a challenge.
So the name of the project is Ultra Protected. A lot of people are in the sun for a long time and they don't realize the possible consequences of that. Skin cancer, tanning, burning, etc. The device that we're making essentially is a clip-on. You can clip it on to a lot of things, hard hats, goggles, shirts. What it'll do is it has a UV sensor on it, and it'll send that information to a phone, which will do calculations to determine how much time is safe for you to spend in the sun. And all those calculations are based off of information that you input into your phone, such as your eye color, your skin color, etc. And all that determines how much time you're allowed to be in the sun.
A big problem that we face with our capstone project is finding the right hardware components that are available to ship quickly and within our cost constraints as well.
What we wanted to accomplish was to log data about the environment around us using a sensor to track temperature, humidity, particulate matter, as well as volatile organic compounds. It's what they call upstream health prevention.
These particles are small enough to, when you breathe them in, to enter through your epithelial lining in your lungs and directly enter your bloodstream. Our product is primarily meant for a person to wear on their wrist so that they have something of a constant data of where they've been and what they've been exposed to. Say they have a pattern of walking past a busy road during their commute to work. After they see how much pollution is being put out by that road, they can take a slightly longer detour instead. So these are small lifestyle changes, and the reason why it's important is because chronic exposure to particulate matters and other things will gradually degrade your health. So CS allowed me to experience how things worked in a practical setting. It's a lot more of an engineering standpoint. The fact that I can do both the practical and the theoretical portions at the same time. I can learn both how systems work and how to build systems that work.